you are doing good and safe at home. Let's start our English class with a word of the day. Okay? Word of the day. Every day we are learning a word and its meaning, right? You are making sentences by using those words. Am I right? Yes. Last 3 classes we have learned 3 new words. Do you remember that? One is, say louder. Very good. QPS. QPS. What is the meaning QPS? What is the meaning of QPS? Very good. Abundant, right? Abundant, many, numerous, a lot of. Very good. Okay. Then, next one. Dawdle. Super. Spell the word dawdle. D-A-W-D-L-E. Okay. Dawdle. What is the meaning of dawdle? Which means, yes, a waste of time or be slow. Okay. Then, next one. Recently, what did you learn? Very good. Abdicate. Abdicate. What is the meaning of abdicate? Abdicate means resign, quit, or else give up. Right? You remember, right? Very good. Now, let's learn a new word. Okay? That is abrupt. Say abrupt. A-B-R-U-P-T. Abrupt. What is this? Abrupt. Do you know its meaning? Yes. Abrupt means sudden. Okay? Sudden or unexpected. Sudden or unexpected. Okay? Abrupt, which means sudden or unexpected. Say once again, what is the word of the day? Abrupt. Okay? I will ask this in Zoom session. Okay? Don't forget. What is the word of the day? Abrupt. Okay? What is the meaning of abrupt? Sudden or unexpected. Okay? Sudden or unexpected. Got it? Let's see one example. Okay? I was surprised by the abrupt arrival of my grandma. Okay? I was surprised. Why? By the abrupt. Abrupt means sudden. Okay? Or unexpected arrival of my grandma. Okay? I was surprised by the abrupt arrival of my grandma. Did you understand now? What is the meaning of abrupt? Sudden or else unexpected. Okay? That is abrupt. Will you forget? No. So, we have learnt 4 words, right? One is QPS, dawdle, abdicate, abrupt. Right? Yes. Clear now? Yes. Dear students, make 5 sentences by using this word. Okay? Abrupt, sudden or unexpected. Make 5 sentences by your own. Take a snap and send it to me. Okay? Now, let's jump into our lesson. What lesson we are learning? Do you remember? No? You forget? No. Okay, what is the title of our lesson? Very good. Say louder. Children of the digital age. Okay? Children of the digital age. From this lesson, we are learning how digitalization has changed our lifestyle. Right? Yes. At first, who are the children in this story? What is the name of that children? Very good. Gunnar and Sonal. Right? Whom did they wait in the railway station? Very good. For their grandma. Am I right? Yes. Okay. Then what did they share? Yes. They shared about this railway inquiry. Right? That boy, Gunnar, he can track the exact arrival of the train. Right? By what? Very good. By his mobile phone. Okay. Then we have learned about online booking, right? Online booking cab. Am I right? Yes. Then we have learned about location on app, right? Very good. Now let's move on to our next part. Okay, before that I want all the students to take your student's book, then take your pencil also. Okay, first we have to read the text, then we will learn the explanation. Okay, have you all taken your book? Have you all taken your pencil? Listen carefully while I am reading. You have to listen carefully, then underline the hard words. What are the words you don't know? To read, underline it. Okay, then replay the video, then clarify those words. Got it? Shall we read? Are you ready? Yes. Take your book, page number 47. Have you all taken your book? Open it, page number 47. Have you all read? Did you understand anything? Yes? Okay. At first, that granny was saying that before that the children were fighting, right? Yes. So, the granny was saying that no children, stop fighting. Okay. See, day after tomorrow, your parents' wedding anniversary. So, I have to give some gifts for them. So, take me to a shopping mall. Okay, I have to go for shopping. I have to buy some gifts for your parents. Okay, why? Because their wedding anniversary. When? Day after tomorrow. Okay, then I have to make some laddus. Okay, do you like laddus? Yes, right? So I have to make some laddus and cake. So I have to buy some raw materials, raw ingredients. Ingredients means materials. Okay, raw ingredients means what are the things which we need to make or prepare some food. Okay, laddus and cake. Okay, so I have to buy some raw ingredients to make this sweets. So take me to a shopping mall. Okay, I have to go for shopping. I have to buy some gifts for your parents and I have to make some laddus and cake for your parents, right? Yes. So the children, they were saying that Sonal, okay, especially Sonal, she was saying that Granny, don't worry, we will do all the shopping from where we are sitting. Okay, from online we can choose everything. Okay, we can select and we can buy everything. Okay, what are the materials you want? Just go to online, then order it and it will get delivered from our home itself. Okay, when you take a rest within that short period, you can choose or you can select what are the gifts you want. You can select at a time and they will deliver the gifts and things in our home itself. Okay, who said like that? Sona. Have you purchased things from online? Yes or no? Yes, right? We have so many applications to get things from online, right? Yes, Flipkart, Amazon, Meesho, right? Yes, if you want to buy any dress, we just go to Flipkart, then type the title. Okay, what material we want. If it is pants and shirt, we just type the title, then we will get so many things, right? So many pants and shirts. Then if you want anything, you have to click it, just order it, then the delivery boy, he will take that in our home itself, right? It will save our time, right? Time and energy and everything, right? See, if we want to buy any dress, usually we go to shop and we select and we give our money to them, then we get it back to our home. From home, after opening that, sometimes we won't like this, right? So, can we resend that? No, right? In some shops, they will return back, otherwise they won't get it back, right? Yes. So, in online, it is not like that. From our home itself, we can select the dress or something, then we have to order it, right? We can order it, then afterwards, after getting that, if we don't like that also, we can resend it, right? We have the option there. Am I right? Yes. Okay, do you have the habit of purchasing things she was saying this to her granny. Okay, then her granny said, okay, I have heard about this. Okay, I have heard the purchasing things from online. Okay, from mobile phone or laptop, we can get things from online like that. I have heard. Can you please show it to me? How it is done? I have to see. Okay, then this girl, Sonal, she was showing some apps. Apps means applications. Okay, applications to her granny. Okay, her granny was saying that, see, nowadays I have to go to markets, then I have to get things from there, I have to wait there, it makes me tiresome. Tiresome means very tired. Okay, so let's use this, right? It will save our time and energy also, right? Yes, but in Delhi, I don't know the shops. Okay, in Jhansi, I know all the shops, then they give some discount also. But in Delhi, I don't know the shops, then sometimes they cheat me. Okay, then this girl, Sona, she was saying that, no granny, in online also, we have some discount options. Okay, we will get some discounts. Okay, then if you don't like, you can resend this also. Okay, after getting this, if you don't like, you can resend also. Okay, like this, who said? Sona. Then this girl, Sona, she flipped an app. Flipped means quickly took a look at. Okay, quickly took a look at. Once again say this word, flipped. Read it. Flipped. F-L-I-P-P-E-D. Flipped. Okay, which means quickly took a look at. Okay, she took her mobile phone and she flipped an application. Okay, then she shown that to her granny. Okay, then her grandma was saying that, yeah, you are really smart. Okay, you are really smart. Then that Sonal, she was saying that, no granny, we are not smart. Our mobile phones are very smart. Okay, everything is digital nowadays with a click of 2 or 3 buttons in our mobile phone or laptop. Okay, everything is digital nowadays. Okay, so this is called digital revolution of India. Okay, a digital revolution of India. Okay, everything is digital nowadays with a click of 2 or 3 buttons in our mobile phone or laptop. Okay, so this digitalization that is called as digital revolution of India. Okay, digital revolution of India. Got it? Then Sonal, she asked her granny's mobile phone to download some apps. Okay, granny, give me your mobile phone. I can quickly download some apps for you to shop. Okay, from this cab itself, you can select your things. Okay, so you can finish your shopping from the cab itself. Recall once, what did we learn today? Okay, that granny, she told to the children about their parents' wedding anniversary. Okay, when? Do you remember? Very good. Day after tomorrow. Okay, so children, day after tomorrow is your parents' wedding anniversary. So I have to buy some gifts for them. So I have to make some laddus and cake for them. So take me to a shopping mall. Okay, I have to do some shopping. So stop the car in a shopping mall. Okay, I have to buy some things and gifts for your parents. Who said? That granny. Okay, at that time this girl, Sonal, she was saying that, no need to go to shop granny. Okay, we have all the applications in our mobile phone. With the applications, we can select and choose all things. Okay, what are the gifts you want, what are the ingredients you want to make laddus and cake, we will get it from online. Okay, we have some applications. Okay, they will deliver that things in our home. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, then she has shown some applications to her grandma, right? Apps. She has shown some apps to her grandma. Then that grandma was saying that you are very smart. Then girl was saying that no granny, we are not smart. Our mobile phones are very smart. Okay, all the things. Okay, everything is digital nowadays with the click of 2 or 3 buttons in a mobile phone or laptop. So it is called as digital revolution of India. Right? Then she asked her granny's mobile phone and she quickly downloaded some apps for her to shop. Right? Yes. Then she said we can shop all those things with this cab itself. Right? Yes. Who said like that? That Sona. Yeah, students. Hope you understand this. Read the text again and again, then underline the hard words, then you will understand what is there. Okay, read it again and again, then you will understand. Okay, underline the hard words, then replay the audio, then verify those words. If you don't know any meaning, take a dictionary and search the meanings from that dictionary itself. Okay, nowadays a digital, right? We are in a digital world, right? In your mobile phone itself, you can check the meanings. Okay, from Google or any dictionary applications, we can check the meanings. Okay, so check the meanings from your mobile phone itself. Okay, if you don't want to take a dictionary and search, take your mobile phone and search it. Okay, then you will understand. Let's watch the animation video of this lesson. Then you will get some more ideas.
Okay, no fights. Listen, children, it is your parents' anniversary, the day after tomorrow. You have to take me shopping in the afternoon. I have to buy gifts for them. I also want to make their favorite laddus and bake a cake. So we will need to buy all the raw ingredients. But I want to keep it a surprise, and there is hardly any time left.
Cool, Granny. We can do all the shopping sitting at home online. Everything will get delivered at home. The groceries in a few hours by the time you have rested, and you'll be able to select the gifts in a day. See, here are some apps on my mobile phone. They have everything under the sun for you to shop.
said Sonal.
Yes. I have heard about shopping online on your phone and laptop. Show me how it is done. Spending hours in the market tires me out nowadays. I'm not familiar with the markets of Delhi. In Jhansi, for decades, I have known all the stores to go for various purchases. They all know me so well and give me good discounts.
You'll get better variety and huge discounts when you shop online, Granny. You can even return things if you don't like them.
Said Sonal as she flipped through one of the apps, showing it to Granny.
This looks easy. You are smart.
Said Granny.
Granny, our phones are smart. Everything is digital nowadays. At the click of a few buttons of your smartphone or laptop. It is called the digital revolution of India.
Said Sonal.
Show me your smartphone. I'll quickly download all the apps for you to shop online. So you can start right away. By the time we reach home, you would have finished shopping sitting in the cab, Granny.